Good morning, welcome back to Life Dave. Right, we're down at the farm. So, got another permission. It's my boss's place. He's got a big old farmland. I'm going to see if we can find anything. Let's get cracking. Right, first target, foil. Shush. I'll put my earphones on. It's singing in my ear. Right, second target. It's in there. Right, more foil. Oh yeah, more foil. That tiny little flake was setting it off. That's it. That's all it was. Oh, let's move down a bit. Okay, so loads of foil coming up so far. I've got a signal here. It's quite low. It's out. Very low signal. There it is. Oh, hello. Alright. An old bullet. Come on, focus camera. Right. Is that a 303? I won't pretend to know all my bullets and sizes. I know a few, but yeah, definitely got a primer. That is an old bullet. So there you go. So there is something here. I've dug about half a dozen holes so far, and every one of them's been tin foil. So, but there, so there is something here. So we'll keep going. I might even swap me bigger coil so I can search a bit more ground quicker. I've got my small coil on still because I've been searching some real trashy areas. So the small coil worked really well for those. But this is a whopping great farm. You know what I mean? There's loads of ground to search. So I don't know whether to keep the small coil on and just do it tighter, or put the bigger coil on. But what I don't want to do is leave massive holes everywhere. So the small coil allows me to really centre in on the target. Whereas with the bigger coil, I end up digging a bigger hole to find it. So anyway, there you go. So we've got a little bullet. So let's carry on and see if we can find anything else. Okay, well, so I'm going to try and dig this one live. Should be there. So the reason being is the numbers are jumping up and down from a very, very low number to high going the other way. That's exactly the same as the previous hole, which I just dug there. Right, let's dig it and see what we've got. Could be foil, because I've had lots of foil coming up so far. There's been quite low numbers. Sometimes foil goes stupidly high, sort of 70s and whatnot, it's like it's a coin or something. And other times it's stupidly low. It's very stony as well. And this one didn't seem to be very deep, so hopefully it's in the clod. No. It's gone. I hate it when he does that. But it's foil near the surface or something. There it is. Yeah, foil. So I thought we might have been into another bullet. It was right next to the last one, and I thought maybe we've got a little area where there's a few of them around. It was foil and it was under the surface, so it was giving off a right old funny signal. Yeah, it's gone. That was it, just foil. Oh well. I got excited. It was giving the exact same numbers as the bullet that I pulled out about a foot away from it. So I thought, oh, maybe we've got a couple of bullets. But oh well, back to digging. Well, we've got another target. It was quite deep. I've just pulled it out down the bottom of this hole. We've got another shell. Well, I've never seen. What is all that inside it? Obviously picked up some grass, but ignore that. What is all that stuff? Well, I've never seen that. I thought it was a lump of wire. I thought, what's that? A lump of wire? Is that cordite or whatever you call it, like part of the explosive stuff that's in it? It's odd. Some green in there, but yeah, all that was inside it, sort of falling out as I was picking it up. I thought it was a lump of wire, but nope. There you go. Right, I was just about to give up. I'm collecting wood for me fire and having a little detect as well to see if there's anything around, you know, see if we can find anything. And so far I have dug about 30 holes, all foil, but I've dug 2 holes that are bullets. So there you go. Happy days. Right, let's have a little swing around, see if I can find anything else before we go on. Okay, last hole, whatever it is, it is. Right, it's out of the hole. Turn it on, helps. Step it out. See in here. Touching that off. Aha! What's that? Is that it? Oh, coin or a button? That's definitely that. Oh my god, what is it? What is that? Is that a button or a coin? I can't tell. I can't tell. Oh my god, what is it? It's got design on it. It's quite thin. I don't know. Oh, look at that. Oh, we've got something interesting. Oh my god. I've got to go. I've literally got to get out of here. I need to leave. But look at that. Let's get a picture. Okay, so take my gloves off, give it a little wipe. Just pick some mud off. Got a hole in it there. I'm wondering if it's a button and that has been flattened over like it's been steamrolled. It's been flattened in the ground over time. That looks like that might be the loop on the back. I think it might have been a button. I can't tell what the picture is. The sun on it, I just can't see. My eyes ain't the best and I can't understand what the picture is. It's not meaning anything to me, but I think what we've got is a button. What a find. Nice. Anyway, that's last hole and I'm out of here. Right, well, thank you all for watching Life of Dave. So we've got a nice little find there. So that's possibly war era. Apparently there was a site to do with a war, like an airfield or something around here. So yeah, that could well be military button off a uniform or something. So anyway, happy days. Nice little find. Loads and loads and loads of foil and rubbish. 3 bullets and that. So, sweet. Right, that's me done for now. I'll catch you all next time. Bye for now.